In this video, we will learn about the replacement theorem, and it also called Steinitz Exchange Theorem. The theorem said that if V is a vector space, so if V is a vector space and V has two subsets, so one is G, the generating set. So G is a subset of V, this is called generating set, and another subset L, this is linearly independent subset. Then part A said that the number of elements in L should be less or equals to number of elements in G. So number of elements in linearly independent subset would be less than or equals to number of elements of the generating set G. So now we can come to here the statement. So let V be a vector space that is generated by a set G containing exactly n vectors or elements, and L be a linearly independent subset of V. So L is linearly independent and this contains m vectors. Then conclusion is m should be less or equals to n. That means the number of elements in linearly independent subset would be less than or equals to number of elements of the generating set. This is part A. Now part B, to understanding part B, I am giving you one example. So in soccer game, we normally need 11 players to play. So suppose there are 11 players, number 1 to 11, they are playing the soccer game. So they are generating the game. So think G contains those 11 players. Now there are 5 replacement possible in soccer game. So there are linearly independent set L and that contains 5 players, number 12 to 16, and out of these 11 players there are 5 players they are weak, so we need to replace them after some times. So if we replace those 5 players by these 5 players, then still inside there will be 11 players and they can play the game. So if I write here, so G is a generating set, it contains total 11 players. So inside the field total 11 players 1 to 11, and in the bench we have 5 players, they are available, they are linearly independent, and it said that if we replace these 5 players by these 5 players, so we are replacing these 5 players by that 5 players, then still there would be 11 players and they can play the game. So it said there exists a subset H of G. So H is this 6 strong player, H is those 6 strong player, they would be still inside the game and they will play the whole game. They will play the whole game. Containing n minus m, so if total n elements and L has m elements, then this part will have n minus m vectors or elements, such that H union L will generate the vector space V. So if you take their union, you will get again total 11 players. So that's the statement for replacement theorem. This is a very important theorem in linear algebra and it has several corollary and we'll discuss those. So that's it. Thanks for watching.